In the very heart of the North Pole, where the air is filled with the sweet scent of gingerbread and the sound of jingle bells, stood the brightest, most wonderful place in the whole world, Santa's workshop. Here, the snow didn't just sparkle white. It shimmered with all the colors of the rainbow under the glow of 1,000 twinkling lights. In this magical place, elves with pointy hats and cheerful smiles giggled as they worked. Toys twinkled on endless shelves, and every single corner sparkled with joy and color. Little elves with rosy cheeks hurried and scurried, their laughter echoing through the vast halls as they prepared for the most wonderful day of the year. But even in such a colorful, happy place, the clever little elves dreamed of something even more amazing. They dreamed of something brighter, something more magical, something that could fill the entire sky with color, making the whole world feel as joyful as their workshop. They would whisper their big ideas to each other while painting tiny details on toy soldiers and stitching ribbons onto dolls. They imagined a world where colors weren't just for toys, but for everyone, everywhere. They wanted to paint the wind and color the clouds, sharing their Christmas cheer in a spectacular new way. So, one frosty morning, a group of the most ingenious elves gathered together. With a twinkle in their eyes and a hop in their step, they unveiled their most incredible invention ever, the rainbow paint machine. It was a magnificent contraption, taller than the tallest elf, covered in glowing buttons, whirring gears, and twisting glass tubes. Inside these tubes, liquids of every color swirled and bubbled, glowing with a soft, magical light. Jars of shimmering paint, ruby red, sapphire blue, and emerald green, were connected by pipes that crisscrossed like a colorful maze. The elves jumped up and down with pure joy, their little bells jingling with excitement. The time had finally come to test their creation. The elves gathered around the marvelous machine, their faces glowing with anticipation. Even the toys on the shelves seemed to lean forward, eager to see what would happen. With a deep breath, the head elf reached out and gave a tiny, gentle tap to a golden lever. At once, the machine whirred to life. It hummed a sweet, magical tune, and its lights began to flicker, sending rainbow sparkles dancing into the air. A low, gentle vibration filled the workshop, and then, with a soft whoosh, a perfect, beautiful beam of rainbow paint shot straight up from the machine, soaring into the sky like a firework. It worked perfectly, but then something unexpected happened. The rainbow paint machine, filled with so much color and magic, suddenly had a big, wonderful idea of its own and began to shake and rattle, not in a scary way, but in a silly, wobbly dance. Its lights blinked faster and faster, and it started to glow brighter and brighter, getting warmer and warmer. And then, kaboom! A huge, glorious burst of colorful paint exploded from the machine. It wasn't just a beam anymore. It was an explosion of pure joy. Rainbows swirled across the sky, painting the clouds in brilliant stripes. The pure white snow outside turned pink, blue, green, gold, and purple. The elves got splashed from head to toe in shimmering, glittering color, and they laughed with delight. The toys suddenly came alive, dancing and marching in a shower of glitter. A burst of rainbow magic filled the air, transforming the workshop into the most colorful, most vibrant, most joyful place the world had ever seen. The elves, now covered in sparkling colors, couldn't believe their eyes. They looked at their hands, shimmering with gold dust, and at their friends, splattered with every color imaginable, and they burst into happy laughter. Their workshop wasn't just colorful anymore. It was alive with rainbow joy. Teddy bears waltzed with dolls. Toy trains zoomed around the floor, carrying giggling elves, and colorful decorations began to glow with a life of their own. Colors swirled through the air like a beautiful magical blizzard, and the whole workshop pulsed with a happy, dancing energy. The head elf, his hat now a lovely shade of lavender, gathered everyone together. He looked at the happy, dancing toys and the laughing colourful elves, and then he looked at the rainbow paint machine, which was now pulsing gently with a soft, rainbow light, humming a quiet, happy tune. The elves knew what they had to do. Instead of trying to clean up all the wonderful colours, they would share them. They decided this beautiful accident was the best thing that had ever happened. So, they carefully bottled the shimmering rainbow paint, filled lanterns with liquid colour, and began decorating every tree and lamppost in the North Pole. Joy followed everywhere they went, and as the day turned to night, the sky above the North Pole transformed. It wasn't just filled with stars anymore. It was a swirling, dancing rainbow aurora. Magnificent waves of red, green, and blue light flowed across the darkness, reflecting in the colourful snow below. Everything felt soft, bright, and incredibly magical. Slow, dreamy snowflakes, each one a different colour, fell gently through the multicoloured light, blanketing the world in warmth and happiness. The rainbow paint machine glowed peacefully in the corner of the workshop. Its job now done, the elves, tired but filled with pride, smiled at their wonderful creation. The toys, now tucked back onto their shelves, waved happily, their colours shining brightly. And that is the story of the day the elves learned, that colour is more than just paint. It's joy, it's laughter, and it's pure Christmas magic. Join us tomorrow for another magical Christmas story.